sure, here's a YouTube script tailored for your channel FK iPhone, focusing on the 2025 Vivo Y53. It stays within the 800-word limit and covers features, design, and a conclusion, starting with your channel's intro as requested, Welcome to FK iPhone, where we dive into the latest in mobile tech that's not trapped in the Apple bubble. Today we're looking at a fresh release that's turning heads in the budget smartphone scene. Let's talk about the 2025 Vivo Y53. Vivo has been stepping up its game lately, and the Y53 is another solid example. Designed for users who want style, performance, and affordability in one package, this phone brings a lot to the table for its price range. It's not here to compete with the ultra-premium flagships, but for everyday users it delivers more than you'd expect. Let's start with the design. The Vivo Y53 has a modern minimal look with slim bezels and a smooth matte finish on the back that resists fingerprints. It feels surprisingly premium in the hand, with a well-balanced weight that doesn't make it feel cheap. The back houses a rectangular camera module that blends well with the body and gives it a clean, professional look. Available in fresh color options like midnight black and sky blue, the Y53 definitely catches some attention when you pull it out. On the front there's a vibrant HD Plus display with a slightly larger screen than its predecessor. The colors are punchy, the viewing angles are decent, and brightness holds up well even under sunlight. While it's not AMOLED, it still does a good job for media consumption, scrolling, and gaming. The water drop notch at the top is minimal and doesn't interrupt the viewing experience much. Under the hood, Vivo has packed in a capable processor that handles daily tasks smoothly. App switching, browsing, social media, and even light gaming run without major hiccups. It's paired with enough RAM to keep things fluid for the average user, and storage is expandable, which is a big plus for those who like keeping photos and videos locally. Speaking of cameras, the Vivo Y53 keeps things simple but effective. On the rear you get a dual camera setup with a primary lens that captures clear photos in good lighting. The second lens assists with depth for portrait shots and does a decent job blurring out the background without overdoing it. In low light it does struggle a bit, but that's expected in this category. The front selfie camera is surprisingly good for video calls and casual selfies, and comes with basic beauty enhancements that a lot of users appreciate. Battery life is one of the strong points of this phone. With its efficient chipset and optimized software, the Y53 easily gets you through a full day of use. Whether you're streaming content, taking photos, or just chatting, the battery holds up well. Charging is done via a USB-C port, and while it doesn't support the fastest charging on the market, it still gets you from 0 to halfway in a reasonable amount of time. The software experience is smooth, running the latest version of FuntOS OS based on Android. It's clean, snappy, and comes with some useful features like app clone, split screen mode, and smart gestures. There are a few pre-installed apps, but most can be removed if you don't need them. Security is handled by a side-mounted fingerprint sensor that's fast and reliable, plus there's basic face unlock if that's your thing. Connectivity is also solid on this phone. You get dual SIM support, 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and all the basics. It's missing 5G, but that's not a deal breaker in this price range, especially if you're in a region where 5G isn't widespread yet. Audio quality from the speaker is decent for casual listening, and there's even a headphone jack, which a lot of users still appreciate. So what's the verdict on the Vivo Y53 in 2025? It's a phone that understands its audience. It's built for those who need a reliable, good-looking daily driver that won't empty their wallet. It doesn't promise flagship-level performance, but what it does promise, it delivers well. From battery to display to overall usability, the Y53 checks most of the boxes for a great budget smartphone. If you're someone looking to upgrade from an older device, or just want a phone that does the basics really well without breaking the bank, this is one to consider. Vivo continues to improve its budget offerings, and this phone proves they're paying attention to user needs. That's all for today. If you liked this breakdown and want more honest takes on non-Apple tech, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to FK iPhone and turn on the bell so you never miss an update. Catch you in the next one. Let me know if you want a shorter version or one with more humor or technical depth.